Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you're dealing with the classic headache Microsoft Store apps or games downloading painfully slow. We have all been there. You hit download and suddenly it feels like you're back on dial-up. So today let's fix that. Before we dive into settings and tweaks, make sure you're actually connected to a stable internet connection. I know it sounds obvious, but trust me, it happens. Try running a speed test. All right, assuming your internet is fine, the first thing we're going to do is reset the Microsoft Store cache. It's a super simple trick that fixes a lot of issues instantly. Just press Windows R to open the Run dialog, then type in WS Reset and hit Enter. A black window will pop up for a second and then the store will open automatically. That's it. Try downloading your app again. Okay, let's step up. Open your settings, go to Windows Update, and click on Advanced Options. Then go to Delivery Optimization. Make sure Allow Downloads from Other PCs is turned on. Below that, choose Devices on the Internet and My Local Network. This allows your PC to download apps faster by pulling parts from nearby devices. Now click on Advanced Options under Delivery Optimization. Scroll down and make sure your downloads bid limits are not caved. If you've got those ticked with low numbers, that could be throttling your stored downloads. Uncheck those or raise the limits significantly. Okay, next up, we're going to check your time and region settings. Weirdly enough, incorrect time or region settings can confuse the store and slow things down. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is enabled. Then go back and check Language and Region. Set your region to United States or the one closest to Microsoft servers near you. Restart your PC and try again. If that didn't work, we will now dive into PowerShell. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Open PowerShell, then copy and paste this command. Get-AppxPackage, all users, Microsoft.WindowsStore for each Add-AppxPackage. DisableDevelopmentMode, register, InstallLocation, AppXMinifest.xml. Press Enter, let it finish, and then close PowerShell. This basically reinstalls the Microsoft Store, fixing anything broken under the hood. Let's also clear out the Windows Update cache while we are set it. Open the Run dialog again, Windows R, then type services.msc. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Then right-click and stop it. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. That's BITS for short. Then open File Explorer and head to this folder. See Windows Software Distribution, download, select everything inside, and delete it. Don't worry, this is safe. Now go back to Services and start both services again. This can help if the store is stuck trying to fetch files from corrupted update cache data. Stay with me. Nice. Now let's check the Internet properties. Open the Start menu and search for Internet options. Go to the Connections tab, then click on LAN Settings. Make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is enabled and that Use a Proxy Server for your LAN is unchecked unless you're using one intentionally. Misconfigured proxies are hidden killer for downloads beads. Quick tip, if you're using a VPN, pause it while downloading from the store. VPNs can sometimes route your connection through far-off servers, which makes downloads crawl. And don't forget about the Microsoft Store own app settings. Home in a store, click on your profile in the top right corner, go to App Settings and make sure the Offline Permissions toggle is on. If you're downloading on a laptop, also sign out and sign back in symbol, but effective in refreshing your session. Now here is one last trick, and it's kind of a new clear option. We're going to reset the store completely. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, search for Microsoft Store, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset. This will wipe the app's data and might just fix whatever was causing the issue in the first place. All right, give your download one more try. If you have gone through all these steps, your Microsoft Store should be working a lot faster now. And if it still isn't, it might be a temporary issue on Microsoft's end, or even the app you're trying to download might have its own issues. So that's it. We just covered all the effective ways to fix slow Microsoft Store downloads. Let me know in the comments if one of these work it for you, or if you found another trick I didn't mention. If you found this video helpful, give it a like to help more people find it, and subscribe if you want more quick tech fixes and easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.